guys, and welcome to today's video. And in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can make this super cute panda bowl. And making this is actually really simple, so let's get started. You can start off by taking a piece of white polymer clay and flatten it out using your fingers. And if you want to, you can also use a pasta machine to make it even thinner. And next you can use something round to mark out a perfect circle. And then you can use an X-Acto knife to cut it out. And now you can take an oven-safe bowl, for example in glass, and then you can place your clay circle in the middle. And once it lays there evenly, it is time to make the ears. And to do that, you can just take a round piece of black clay and flatten it out. And then you can take a knife and split it into two. And then just place the ears on the edge of the bowl. And then you can bake the clay. And once it has cooled down completely, you should be able to easily remove it from the bowl. And then you can start painting on details. I first sketched up the face with a pencil, and once I was happy with the way the face looked like, I filled it in using dotting tools and liquid craft paint. And lastly, I used the thick part of a needle to make the ears for the panda. And if you want to protect the painted details, I would recommend you to also glaze the bowl. And here I'm using a clear, hard UV resin that I am brushing on. And then I leave it under a UV lamp for a few minutes. And here is the finished results. And making this panda bowl was so easy and it turned out so cute. I should also mention that I wouldn't really recommend using the bowl for foods unless you have been using food-safe paints and glaze. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also to click the notification bell. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!